The current landscape is changing, the transformation from last 5-6 decades, and what is going to happen next 5 years, 10 years. Based also, we have decoded World Economic Forum indicators. So we are going to decode what are the key growth area, where should we focus our career is still we are relevant after 5 years, 10 years, because career is not matter of 1 or 2 years, it's a matter of decades and decades. So let's go there. As we can see, the AI, artificial intelligence and automation, these are two key growth areas. There will be a lot of investment by the business, by the companies, because this is going to drive overall business transformation, automation. So this is one area that we can focus if somebody has a strength and knowledge to build the career in this domain. Second is renewable energy, because of globally government has a lot of focus to sustain the environment. So there is a lot of focus on the green energy and that EV based vehicles. And third growth area will be healthcare and biotechnologies, because there's increase in population, also a lot of diseases. So there will be definitely rise of healthcare. So to sustain the population, food demand, we need a lot of research in the biotechnology field. Fourth is growth is cybersecurity, because with increase is digital transformation, everything is getting digital. There are a lot of security threat in order to protect their digital assets and a lot of information, sensitive information. The cyber security is going to be the key area which is going to keep on growing at least next couple of decades. E-commerce is going to grow for sure, because convenience and people like to buy from the online portals, and is in terms of cost effectiveness, in terms of the convenience, is going to grow further as well. And of course, digital payment along with the e-commerce, digital payment is also going to increase. Sixth key growth area is space and technology, because there are a lot of focus on the space research, how this can be explored in terms of meteorology, weather forecasting, other research area, space mining. A lot of things are unknown zone. There have been a lot of research focuses there globally, particularly from the developed nation, to invest and drive the technology in the area of space. Other growth area will be the online education, because of the internet penetration and digital transformation. So things, everything is digital. People need to learn the technology skills and get various knowledge, because it offers a flexibility and a very cost effective. So online education is going to grow further and further more, and along with workforce need to reskill. So this again, the training part is going to grow. And apart from this, there will be a lot of focus globally to develop cities and urban development, infrastructure development. There will be focus on the agri-based business to meet the food demand, and there will be research on the biotechnology to come the new breeds of the grains and food, and that's how it's going to keep on growing this area. And other key grow area is blockchain technology, because of this recent there have been a lot of scope to be research and development. Find application is new area, particularly the financial domain, right? And web development, since our lot of business need to be go online. So apart from these key growth areas, let's also understand, so what are the key business drivers? If we look at the analysis, if we can understand why these particular areas growing, right? So the first one, let's see, understand the business transformation driver. So this is purely based on the survey of various organizations. Say 80%, 86% of organizations, they are saying that AI and automation, they are the key drivers for their business. 58% is saying robotics and the autonomous system, and 41% says energy generation, and 30% says new material research. So these are the percentage of a survey which say that which are the prime area which is going to drive their business, drive their next 1 decade. So we can say the AI, automation are on the top, robotics also there, energy sector is on top. This is a major significant growth. Along with this, now next part we need to decode what are the jobs which are going to grow and what are the nature of job which are going to decline. Just if you look the largest growing and declining job 2030 is just a story of next 5 years. So the red part is of course declining, and green area is which is going to grow. If you can see that, is typically of course ground level jobs, the farm worker, labor, light trucks, software application drivers, building framers, soft distribution. It's a kind of, moreover we can say, the blue collar jobs. However, if you see that the next area, white collar jobs, tech enabled jobs particularly, or top growing is big data and differential technology, AI, machine learning, and the software public developers, security management, data warehousing. We can see that, and also we can see that what are going to be decline and maybe disappear: postal services clerk, bank tellers, data entry clerks, cashier, ticket administration job, printing, accounting, and the bookkeeping, payrolls, material. So a lot of things are, we can, if you look at, see how these are going to, the left part is going to grow and the right part, red part, is going to decline, maybe disappear. I hope you could see what are the key growth areas and how the job transformation going to happen, what are the key jobs are going to grow, what are the jobs that are going to disappear or reduce, and also what are the key drivers of the business in next 5 years, 10 years. So it gave overall the picture. This is just indicative. I mean, we can't guarantee that it's 100% true because based on survey, but of course overall trend, overall growth is going to be like this at the World Economic Forum level, and they do deep research, and it's going to be play a big role.